Hi Amit, welcome to IPL. How was your experience so far? Today was your first day.
Thank you, Manisha. It was all humming on the first day itself. I met a lot of people, their ideas, and a lot of different industries like healthcare, IT, and pharma. So I think this is a very good place to explore myself in the next couple of years.
All right. So to begin with, could you take about 30 seconds and give a quick introduction about yourself, what you do, where do you work, and your interest?
Yeah, I'm Amit Kumar. I'm from Hyderabad. Currently working in JFrog as DevOps engineer and also practicing as a product leader there. I already working in product support as well, which I have some experience with on the customer side. That's where my journey started, from thinking from the customer perspective, how customers are facing the problems, how do we solve them, what is a different perspective of thinking when you're developing a product. All these interest me to come into product management, and then looking for multiple options in the market, like which is good. I found IPL very fascinating. Learn by doing things, and product labs, and one-to-one mentorship, which actually helps me. I also have some entrepreneurship ideas, probably, which will help me. So I'm very looking forward to the program.
Glad to hear that. A lot of expectations and a lot of dreams. Yes. So to moving on to the next question. 1 year from now, aspirationally, from a career perspective, where do you see yourself?
I would say I'll be a good decision maker. Right now I have multiple options. I don't know what to choose in terms of product ideas, in terms of startup ideas that I have right now. How to prioritize things, which one to go first. So I think I'll be able to take better decisions after 1 year after this program. Yeah.
So you're looking to see yourself as an entrepreneur.
Yes.
That's
yes.
Great to hear, sir.
Yes.
I wish you all the very best for that as well.
Thank you, Manisha.
Yes. So my last question is, could you tell me 2 aspects that made you choose the Executive MBA in Product Leadership course here with us?
I think we already talked about it. One is one-to-one mentorship, product labs, and learn by doing things, not just sitting in the classroom and just reading and all of that. So if you want to get something good, then you have to do something, make your hands dirty.
I'm glad to hear, Amith, about the top things that stood out to you and made you decide your next step of career with IPL.